Kailashahar Police detained 5 illegal migrants, including 2 children, on Tuesday morning. They came to cross India through Kailashahar border areas to Bangladesh. Intense tension spread in Kailashahar area over this incident. Ahead of the East Tripura Lok Sabha election, another 5 illegal migrants of Bangladesh were arrested by the Kailashahar Police. According to the report, the locals suspected after seeing some unknown people roaming around Putir Bazar motor stand area on Tuesday morning. After that, the news was immediately informed to Kailashahar Police. Later, Kailashahar Police Station Ushe Shamal Kanti Majumdar went to the concerned place and arrested 5 of them. After the police interrogation, it was learned that they came to cross India border through Kailashahar border areas to Bangladesh. Unakoti District SP Kanta Jangir told the detailed information about the incident.
पुर बाजार में 5 रोहिंग्यास को पकड़ा है और अभी उनका इंटरोगेशन चल रहा है। एक स्पेसिफिक केस रजिस्टर किया जाएगा और उनका इंटरोगेशन करने के बाद में हमें पता चलेगा वो किधर से उन्होंने एंटर किया और किस तरफ उनका जाने का था। और जो डाउट इसमें उन लोगों ने हेल्प की है उनको भी हम डेफिनेटली अरेस्ट करेंगे।
लेडीज और जेंट्स
इसमें 2 बच्चे हैं और इसको लेके बताऊंगी।
टोटल 5
2 जेंट्स हैं, 1 लेडी है, 2 बच्चे हैं।
The arrested Bangladeshi citizens are Alim Uddin, 48 years of age, Abdul Sukur, 18 years of age, Sanwara Begum, 38 years of age, Taslima Begum, 15 years of age, and MD Rashid, 11 years of age. Further, the police realized they came escaping from the Bangladesh Chittagong refugee camp. The police will present the arrested person to Kailashahar court. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.